Price TV. Subscribe now.
The Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas has turned out to be more than a place for innovation organizations to flaunt their most recent cell phone or device. Presently, automakers and new companies rush to the phase to show specialized ideas in new vehicles as the car turns out to be more associated than any time in recent memory. At CES 2018, a Chinese startup by the name of Byton will make a big appearance, its first electric auto. The organization has named it the SIV, or Savvy Instinctive Vehicle. Byton, previously the Future Mobility Company, will make a big appearance, its all-electric vehicle with an attention on keen versatility and availability. Actually, Byton trusts this thought as its differentiator from tons of other electric auto new businesses. Fellow benefactor and president Daniel Kirkert even conceded the organization is more roused by Apple than by Tesla at a media presentation day a month ago. Any organization can fabricate an electric auto. Byton needs to rethink auto availability and versatility, as we probably am aware it. With the mystery and declaration distributed on Tuesday, Byton is positively assembling a noteworthy mechanical spec sheet. The SIV, which take the state of an SUV or hybrid, will gloat a bended 49-inch touchscreen with a mutual affair for all travelers, AirTouch sensors to control the vehicle with hand signals, a cloud stage to associate the driver or traveler's cell phone applications and information, and natural access that utilizes facial acknowledgement to open the vehicle. Key dandies are so a year ago. With respect to mechanical specs, Byton declared a month ago that the SIV will highlight a 150 kilowatt, 201 drive engine in advance and a 200 kW, 268 HP engine at the back. A 71 kilowatt-hour battery pack will serve the section-level model, while a 95 kWh pack will be discretionary. The previous should deliver a scope of around 200 miles, while the last will give enough squeeze to around 310 miles, per Byton. Byton is sure the SIV will move off its Nanjing, China, mechanical production system in 2019 and go on special in the nation that year. European and US deals are planned to begin in 2020. We'll take in more about Byton's PC on wheels on January 7th, when the organization exhibits its SUV at its CES question and answer session. We'll be there. Stay tuned.